You don't want your face in this one, do you then?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Yeah. What are those? Just like normal ants then? Oh, so they're not actually ants.
Some kind of fly.
Oh. That looks nice.
That's full carb.
It looks pretty.
The size them, the one that I planted was never this size.
It was smaller.
It was small and neat.
So what do you think this is then?
I'm not sure. You see the one that my rookies I get? That is
What you thought it was?
That's what I planned.
Come like the farmer's market, you know. Where? Oh, this plant.
Every year them come up and you realize them so easy for growth.
What kind of avocado will it grow though? Like a Jamaican one?
Whichever avocado we buy and throw the seed.
So we have to wait to find out. What is that?
Some kind of fungus.
So you're just gonna disband the whole.
That's true, and I didn't take it.
Did you get any tomatoes off of it though, or you just assumed the whole thing is
I
rotten?
realized that I get that bad.
Oh.
pieces break off.
Yeah.
Because I remember planting it in this and them start to spring up.
Oh.
But what I'm gonna have to do is during the winter,
Mhm.
I'm gonna cut this and pot it and bring it inside.
Okay.
Just basically grow like a house plant over the winter.
Okay.
Put it back out in the spring. It should grow and produce.
Okay. So what we got here then, Dad?
We got pumpkin, 3 of 3.
Yeah. Oh, you only planted 3.
You only get 3.
Oh, okay. Oh, one of them is the one I took, isn't
One
it?
is the one we took and another one which was similar inside to yours, and we cook it and it tastes fine.
Yeah.
And we juice the rest of it.
Yeah. When I cooked it, I told you I made it into soup in it. Come like
Yeah.
So yeah, we actually put it in soup.
Sweet corn.
Mhm.
And then sweet corn peeled, stripped.
Yeah.
Cucumber. Tomatoes.
Not sure the variation.
Show the variety, but it was a nice sharp tomato.
Yeah.
Beetroot.
Which you can
Very
juice.
versatile. You can
Yeah.
juice it, mix it, drink it on its own.
I can't drink it on its own.
Sweet and sweet, depending on your
Personal taste.
personal taste. You mix it with carrot juice. Or you roast it or pickle it.
Yeah.
Pickle is the best way to preserve it. And then you can eat the leaves like spinach. Cook this like the only difference you would know is because the red coloration of the
Yeah.
It tastes like, in fact, if you look at the seeds, the beetroot seed and the spinach seed is exactly the same.
Oh, it's from the same family.
You can't tell the difference until it germinates.
Oh, okay.
So, pumpkin again. Can cook. Can
Steam. Well, cook it. You don't have it raw, do
you
you?
can make pumpkin dumpling, mix it with
Oh,
flour,
yeah, I like
make
that.
pumpkin dumpling. You can make pumpkin cake.
Pumpkin rice.
You can mix it with rice, make pumpkin rice.
Pumpkin pie.
You can make pumpkin pie. And you can juice it and make pumpkin juice. And pumpkin seed is known to have high quantities of zinc, which is beneficial for male health.
Okay.
That's why Alan and Bart sell so much pumpkin seed.
Oh, okay.
It's a very good source of zinc.
Yeah. And some thyme here too.
And a bit of thyme. Strong smelling thyme, so you know that is good thyme.
Staple product.
Plant thyme, the first thing when it starts to do is smell it.
That's how you know if it's good.
That's it.